Hospital of Horrors, India's city of Gorakhpur, blaming 217 children's deaths in August on seasonal infection. That's CBS News. You can also read about how over 60 children have died in the past 3 days out there. They're saying 290 in August. Multiple reports. This is very unfortunate. This right here is the alert map. If you go directly to the hisz.rsoe.hu/alert map, I'll leave the link in the video description box for you. You click here, and this is, remember guys, there has been multiple disputes in China and India on the border out there. This just doesn't seem right. Is this some type of pandemic? Is this a designer disease? Is this just lack of oxygen, which is what the official reports are saying? Oh, it's lack of oxygen. We're going to arrest those that were the principals, or the principal and his wife have been arrested in connection with this hospital. And they're saying, oh, they just didn't have enough oxygen. That's why everybody's dying. I don't buy it. I don't buy that for a second. Now, this right here, the damage level is high. The local, or the affected area is saying up to a few kilometers. Well, it's just the hospital out there, Gorakhpur. Now, let's take a look at the description. 42 children have died in the past 48 hours at the medical college. Less than 2 weeks after 105 children died at the state-run hospital. The Hindustan Times reported 61 children have died in the hospital in the last 72 hours. And they're saying it's from various reasons such as encephalitis, health complexities in newborns, pneumonia, sepsis, etc., and the hospital being overcrowded. Then there's other articles out there that are saying they didn't have enough oxygen. This sounds to me like there's something nasty going on out there, and they're trying to hide it. Now, the city itself has 673,446, at least was the population when it was done. The census there. You can read about it at India Today. Toll of infants alone reaches 60 in 72 hours. How terrible is that? And also, I'm thinking of the India-China standoff on the border out there. I don't know how close the military scuffle was in conjunction with this area, but are they doing something out there? Is the Chinese government doing some type, military, special black ops, clandestine operations doing something? Or is this just lack of oxygen? Is this some type of pandemic that is... think about it. If a pandemic starts in India, there's over 1 billion people in India, over 1 billion people in China. This could spread extremely fast. Extremely fast, you guys. This area right here, Ladakh, is where one of the disputes was. Now, another thing China's upset about is India, last I read, isn't wanting to play ball on this one road that's connecting China to India, and I think it's supposed to even go into the Middle East, etc. Well, India supposedly isn't a part of it yet, from what I've read, and that's pissing off China. I did even go listen to how to pronounce the word a few times. I'm still probably saying it wrong. But let's go back here. You can see that this area is obviously northwest of the location where all of these children have been dying. It's just bizarre. If you guys have any information, if you are in the area or if you know somebody in the area, if you know something that I haven't presented yet, it would be great to get that information leakproject.com. You can go to guestbookingtoleakproject.com. You can leave it in the comments section here on our YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, youtube.com/clandestine time lord. This is right by Nepal. Man, there's a lot going on, you guys. Stay healthy. Keep your immune systems up. Exercise as much as you can. Or I shouldn't say as much as you can. Make sure to exercise at least a few times a week. Also, I don't know if you guys are taking supplements or not, but if you spend a few bucks a day in supplementation, go to getthetea.com, check out what products they have there, and you can get all sorts of goodies that are affordable. Let them know that you heard about them with Leak Project. You'll thank me later. And there you go. That's my shameless plug. Have a fantastic day, question everything, and be the change you want to see.